Welcome to Enots Engineering. I'm Alan. This is part 2 of the power drive for the lathe. This is the finished item. It has 2 slots in this end which will fit onto your handle on the lathe. This end has an hexagon and it will move in and out and self-centralise depending on how you're holding the drill. So let's go into the workshop and see how we make it. Just setting the tool on my radius cutter. So this is a 12mm diameter setting piece. That goes into the centre of the bearing. So I know it's 6mm to there. To get this set to, that's 12mm diameter, that will be 14. Let's lock that up. I've had to make this stick out a bit more than I normally have so that the radius fixture here misses the chuck jaws. Normally I'd put this in a collet, but I can't find my collet for this 14mm diameter bar. So all I want to do is turn the radius on the end to fit the part that we made in the first video. Slowly feeding the tool in. There's a bit more to come off there. That's okay. Pushed it back into the chuck and now I want to turn the back of the radius down. I'll put the part in the dividing head, set my tool. I want to cut 6 sides on this part so it can hold in a 3-jaw chuck. And the last job on the milling machine is to drill a hole straight through the centre of the ball. I've moved back to the lathe. Now I just want to put a flat on the end so I can drill it. turn the chamfer on the end before I part it off. Well, here are the finished 4 parts. A cap head, the rod that goes through the centre of the ball with the flat in the middle, the ball with the hexagon milled on, that goes into your drill chuck, and all of that fits into this cone. It's a simple assembly. So that goes through the centre. Just turn it around till you get the ball aligned with the slot. Put the rod through that has the flat on, with a flat face in the centre. And then in the end there's a hole for the cap head to go through. Just tighten the cap head up so the pin is held in position. This will move in and out, left and right, and give you a bit of alignment or make up for any misalignment. The drill goes on this end, and that just goes over the handle so you can turn it. Fit the device in your chuck and you can see that it will move in and out, left and right, and up and down. This just fits over the end. On my lathe, the handle has 2 different sizes. Pull the trigger, reverse. It also works on the cross slide. Because it has a little bit of play in there, and as it moves it will self-align. It's quite easy to work. Oh well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope it was useful, and we'll see you next time on Enots Engineering.